In this video, I'll show you how to answer calls with your Beats Studio Pro. So it's very easy. On the left side ear cup, to know that is the left side, it's written over here, left ear. You're gonna see that there are some buttons. Actually, you don't see the buttons. They're hidden here. To answer a call, when you get one, you just have to press on the B button, the Beats logo, once, like this. If you want to reject this call, press twice on the button. If you want to adjust the volume while you're speaking with that person, just press above the logo. And if you want to reduce the volume, just press below it. When you're done talking and you want to hang up on that person, press the logo and the conversation will end. If you want to change between noise cancellation and transparency mode while you're having your call, you just have to use the power button, tap it twice, and it will switch between both of them. The power button is located on the right side. So this is it. This is how you take a call with your Beats Studio Pro. I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.